In the heart of the wild, a group of adventurers embarked on a unique survival course. They learned crucial skills like building a shelter with natural materials, which provided essential protection against the elements. Next, they practiced foraging for edible plants, identifying safe options while avoiding poisonous varieties. By nightfall, their instructors demonstrated fire-making techniques, emphasizing the importance of warmth and cooking. Ultimately, they applied these skills in a nighttime survival challenge, solidifying their knowledge and fostering teamwork under the stars.